Have you ever struggled with anxiety or depression and had trouble sitting still to try to meditate? Well, I did too. And 6 years ago, I decided to sign up for yoga school and started keeping track of a moving meditation each day because I learned doing a moving meditation can help calm your body down a little bit easier. And so I want to share this with you now. And my name's Annette Rudge. I created MojiYogi to help elevate your mood, and I specialize in a 1-minute moving meditation. So sit comfortably. Now you're going to put your hands together. This is what I call the ground zero. And we start by saying Namaste. And that means the light in me honors the light in you. Now we make a circle with our hands, connecting our internal lights. Now put your hands out in front. You're going to breathe in your victorious breath in through your nose, arms up. Touch your hands at the top. Now breathe out your nose and touch your forehead. Breathe in your nose, touch a shoulder. Now on the exhale, breathe out the nose, hands travel across the heart. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, stomach in and up, activate your root. 3, 2, 1. Breathe in your nose, arms up. On the exhale, breathe out your nose and lower down and give gratitude for the practice. Rise up. Now we say Namaste. Now let's repeat that again. This time, follow along with the motions and start with your Namaste. So keep practicing your moving meditation. You can do it first thing in the morning when you wake up, and I call that as a pre-day. That will help with your focus and direct your intention for the day. Then, if you'd like to do it in the middle of the day, that is like for a midday pick-me-up. Or perhaps you want to try it right before bed. You can even do it laying down in your bed as a post-day reflection. So each day, try to see if you can do that for 66 days in a row, because I learned it takes 66 days to build a superpower habit. And if you need any support, I also have a PDF. Just message me and I'd be happy to send you a diagram of the pose and what to say while you're doing it to help support your practice. Now follow along and learn more information about MojiYogi to elevate your mood, and I look forward to the next video. Namaste.